Their specialized knowledge and hands-on care have not only improved vision, but also restored hope and confidence to countless individuals, from providing essential screenings to delivering advanced treatment. And you have demonstrated an unparalleled dedication to ensuring that every member of our community can experience the world with the best possible vision.
Retinopathy of prematurity sa premature po na babies, apektado rin ang mata. We have to touch them and refer them to ophthalmologists also.
Think of coordination as an exit plan, and that's how we're trying to convince people to think about it. It's easier now to convince people than before, because before the minds were still closed, but now younger people are more open.
Maganda yung lecture kasi it's more of all puro retinopathy ang topic niya, and it's very important kasi it's more of prevention. So yun yung isa sa mga function namin at the grassroots level is more of on the prevention. Yun lang. So kailangan lang siguro namin ng more trainings on the staff kasi nga kulang po tayo, and then kung pwedeng ibaba sa baba yung mga services kasi it's very difficult sa hospital base. Baka pwede tayong magkaroon ng community based na eye program, parang ganun po.